What's going on, everybody? This is Chris, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be making chickpea stir fry. This is something that I implemented in my diet plan when I was on dialysis. If I didn't eat this every day, I ate this probably every 2 days. So if you're looking for a plant-based protein source, this would be perfect for you. So I'm going to show you the process of making chickpea stir fry. It is a long process. So the first thing that we're going to do is get prepared with all of our veggies. Right here, I'm chopping up elephant garlic, which is an onion and garlic hybrid. Red bell pepper, chop those up nice and small pieces. Next is going to be our green onions. Now it's time for our thyme. You want to get all the little pieces off and separate those. And then the last thing is going to be your cilantro. Then we're going to take our chickpeas. This is the canned chickpeas, so I want you to rinse it, and I want you to get all that extra sodium off of there. Then after we rinse it off, we're going to bring it over to a plate, and we're going to peel the skin off. As you can see, the skin just slides right off. So I know it's going to take a long time, but it's fine. It's worth it. You're going to take your chickpea, take the skin off, put the skin in the trash, and put the chickpea in the calendar or whatever you want to put it in. Then after that, you're going to repeat the process. This should take about 20 minutes, depending on how fast you are. And for our seasonings, we're going to have paprika, chili powder, pepper, cumin. Then we got our red bell pepper, we got our green onions, we got our elephant garlic, and our cilantro. And I also got my thyme on there too. Now we can start. Put your skillet on medium high. You're going to add your extra virgin olive oil. And then you're going to add your chickpeas. After you add your chickpeas, add your red bell pepper and your green onions. And then I want you to mix it in there real good. And then I want you to put a top on there and let it sit for about 5 to 7 minutes and let it cook. And then we're going to put the top back on and we're going to let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes, stirring in between time. So you're going to add your seasoning in there. Make sure if you add sodium, remember a pinch of sodium. Everything else is fair game. If you add sodium, a pinch. And then you're going to cover for 3 to 5 minutes, stirring in between. And then we're going to add our cilantro and elephant garlic. Make sure you add the cilantro and elephant garlic last because you don't want it to cook for too long. And we're about done. This is your chickpea stir fry. Got everything that you need in there. You got protein. You got your veggies. If you want to add anything to it, you could add raw honey or you can add 100% maple syrup. Don't add no ranch. Don't add no ketchup. Don't add nothing that's going to add any extra sodium. So that's how I make my chickpea stir fry. That's probably the main meal I made while I was on dialysis. I kept my protein intake to around 100 grams a day, and that was my main protein source. So those veggies that I put in there was the veggies that I researched that I had came up with that was good for the body and the kidneys. So that's why I was trying to get that in one meal. Watch out for the sodium. Like I said, I'm going to keep saying, if you put any sodium, any salt, you want to put a pinch. Sometimes I ate it with no salt. So feel free to use no salt, all depending on where you're at and what's going on. So that's my chickpea stir fry. I suggest you implement that immediately. Like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I will be getting back to you. Other than that, good luck to you. I hope that my videos help you out. I will be dropping more content on what I did and what I'm currently doing. Also, I appreciate all of the support from you guys. It means a lot. Hopefully my videos help. All right, y'all.